Welcome to How to Play Crazy Rummy. To play, you will need a deck of cards and 3 to 6 players. Each player is dealt 7 cards, 1 card at a time. The player left of the dealer will be dealt an extra 8th card. The remaining deck is placed into the middle as a draw deck. The object of the game is to have the lowest amount of points after 13 rounds of play. A round ends when a player has melded all their cards. Points are scored for cards remaining in a player's hand when the round is over. Cards can be melded into sets or runs. A set is 3 or 4 cards of the same rank. A run is 3 or more cards in the same suit in sequence. The cards are ranked with the kings being the highest down to the aces being the lowest. Each round will have a wild card. Aces are the wild card in the first round. The twos are the wild cards in the second round. Threes in the third round, continuing up to the kings in the 13th and final round. Going back to the hands that were dealt earlier, I have flipped up each player's cards for you to see. In an actual game, you will keep your cards hidden from the other players. Remember, aces are wild in this first round. The player left of the dealer has the first turn to play. Diana has the option to lay down any completed melds to the table if wanted. Diana chooses to meld the run in clubs. Diana will finish her turn by discarding a card. Play moves to Peter, who can draw from the deck or the discard pile. Peter decides not to play a meld on this turn and will discard a card to end his turn. Play moves to Wade. Wade will draw the top card of the discard pile. Wade will meld his set of 8s. When a player has a meld, they are allowed to lay cards off on any meld on the table. Wade will lay off his king of clubs onto Diana's run meld. Wade will end his turn with a discard. Play returns to Diana, and players will continue taking turns playing. Skipping ahead to the end of a round, Peter is able to lay off 2 cards from his hand and discard his last card. The round ends when a player gets rid of all their cards. The player who goes out scores no points for the round. The players still with cards in their hands will score based on the card values. Each wild card is worth 25 points. The face cards are worth 10 points each. The 10s down to the 2s are worth face value. For example, a 6 is worth 6 points. The aces are worth 1 point each. Peter went out and scores 0 points. Wade has a 6 and a 4 worth 10 points. Diana has a 4 worth 4 points. Players will move to the next round, with the 2s becoming the wild cards. The player with the least amount of points after 13 rounds wins the game. If a player has the natural card for a wild card, they can switch it with the wild card. The player can keep it or use the wild card on the turn. A player must go out by discarding their last card. A player cannot form a meld with no discard to go out. A player with 1 card left must draw from the draw pile, not the discard pile. If the player cannot go out after drawing, they must keep the drawn card and discard the other. If you enjoyed learning how to play Crazy Rummy and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy-to-follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.